Okay, so I pretty much already did my foundation and my eyebrows. I went ahead and used the LA Girl eyeliner. It's in Tropical. I don't know if you could see it right there, but I wanted to cut some time off and just do my eyebrows. I really don't know where I'm going with it, so I'm kind of just following some pictures from Pinterest, and I'm just gonna go with it. I don't know where I'm going with it, but I'm just gonna see where it goes. I'm not gonna do a chit chat only because my house is kind of quiet and I hate quiet, so I'm gonna be listening to my YouTube videos also. So I'm just gonna kind of speed through it and just kind of go and see what happens. Okay.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away.
Hand is starting to shake from holding my phone, or my hand is starting to shake from holding my mirror. Okay, so I decided to edit this flower thing. Trying to pull some hair through because I don't like how it looks. There we go. And that's it. That's my look. Oh, my contact keeps getting stuck to my eyeliner. But anyway, so that's my look for today. And I know it's not like scary Halloween, but I just thought it'd be a little bit easier and cuter to do. So I don't know. This would be really cute with like a cute dress, or yeah, that's pretty much like a cute little dress. So